In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the CTA button on HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to refine your use of this powerful tool, these steps will guide you through effectively setting up and customizing your call to action buttons. So let's dive right in and start from the beginning. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to HubSpot's homepage. By now, if you already have an account, this should be a familiar place for you. Once you've arrived at the homepage, your next step is to locate the login option. Generally, you'll find it in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to enter your account credentials and log in. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to your HubSpot home. From here, the interface may seem overwhelming with a variety of features at your disposal. However, our focus today is on the marketing section, so locate and click on Marketing from the available tabs or sidebar. This is where we begin to zone in on creating those engaging CTAs, which are pivotal for directing user action and enhancing lead conversion. Once you're in the marketing section, look for the CTAs option. Clicking this will bring you to a more focused part of the platform where you can create, edit, or refine your existing CTAs. Now, with the CTAs interface open, you need to select an existing CTA you wish to modify or explore, creating a new one by selecting the Create option from the dashboard. This will provide you with a range of tools to design your CTA button tailored specifically to your campaign needs. When you have your CTA selected, you'll notice an option labeled Button. Click on this to delve into the customization process. This is where you can get creative and efficient, ensuring your CTA is not only visually appealing but also aligned with your campaign goals. Next, you can now customize your CTA button. This step is crucial because the more personalized and engaging your button is, the more likely it will catch the eye of your audience. You can customize the text, color, shape, and size to make sure it's consistent with your brand identity and stands out to users navigating through your content. Test different versions if needed to see which style garners the most engagement. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to use CTA buttons on HubSpot. By following these steps, you can enhance the interactivity and effectiveness of your marketing campaigns, driving more conversions and engagement. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this walkthrough has helped you better grasp the possibilities of utilizing CTA buttons in HubSpot. Happy marketing, and see you next time.